Hi, in this video I will show you how to change the language of Premiere Pro. Open a new project, then press on a Mac Command, Function and F12. In some places I have read you should press Command F12 on a Mac, so try either, which one will ever work for you. Then on a Windows you press Ctrl F12 and next you will see console window will open up. Then you click on here, go to Debug Database View, search for language. This is on ENUS, so in English. I would like to have German, so I will enter DE small underscore DE big letters. For Spanish you would use ES small underscore ES large letters. Then you restart Premiere Pro and you will see the language has changed.